Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we'll know that why NumPy preferred over Python list for numerical computation. We know that we know that NumPy is mostly used in working with when you working with multi-dimensional array. Okay, because NumPy has a lots of mathematical function. You can do any mathematical mm, needed any mathematical calculation. You can use NumPy to do this easily. But why we're not using list, Python list? So the main difference is the Python list is because Python data types are very slow. Python is very slow programming language. So here that's why we the Python when you use NumPy Python list in large data set, it will be very problematic. It will take so many time to working with large data set where Python or NumPy is written in C language. It's not written in Python. Okay, it is written in C language because C language is very fast than Python. So it is written in C language. That's why NumPy is very fast. And because also the other reason is that Python list mostly store many kind of data type in one list. You can store numbers, floating point, string, boolean data type. You can use many data type in one list, but NumPy is homogeneous. You cannot store many data types in one NumPy array. So that's why it's a very big difference. Also you'll see that written over some differences why reason why NumPy is much faster. So faster execution with vectorized operation consume less memory. Also it will take less memory than Python list. Optimized for multi-dimensional arrays. It is very optimized for working with multi-dimensional arrays. Supports advanced mathematical function. It is very important. Better integration with scientific computing libraries. It will be better when you working with computing libraries, scientific library. Okay, you can do easily any operation. So I will give some examples so that you can have a more clear idea of that. First, I written a code where I just import time, then import time module and time module, and we just measure the timing. How many second time to store the 1 million maybe numbers in this list to append this list. So please I'll just run the code and you'll see that time how much time it will take. I just run the program. Let me see. You see that it will take so much time to run this. It will take around 12 seconds. It is much slow. And where I just use NumPy array, just I take the size variable 100 million, and we just pass the input arrange, and we create array input arrange. Arrange means you can create like I pass 1000, it will give you the 1000 um, store NumPy array with save with thousands thousand. So I just run this. It will take a 0.6 second. Okay, it will much faster than Python list. The another example, when you have if you are going to have a add some number in another list, you have to run a loop. But in case of NumPy array, it will don't need any loop to run to add any value to every number in a list. I just write this code over here. I just show you that I take a my list. There is 1 2 3 5 4. These are the value in this list. I to add 5 in every value to every value. So I need this output 6 7 8 9 10. So for that I have to run a loop. I just use list comparison so that it will I do in one line. Otherwise you have to 2 3 line it will take to do this operation. For I for x in my list, it will iterate over the my list, and what you do when you print one list, when you add this 5 in every value of this list, it will get a new list, not this list. It will not add this value in this list, it will get new list. Okay, I'll simply run this. I will see you this in the new list. Print, if I print the my list, you will see this, it will get new list. My list value is same, but it will get new list. In the case of NumPy, this is also create a new NumPy array, but it will take just add 5. And on this you can understand. I just write input array plus 5. It will automatically add 5s into every value. Okay, you don't need to any loop or anything to run to add the any value to add any number to every value. So this is how you can just compromise your code in very less. It will also memory efficiency. It will take less memory in case of NumPy. So this is the main difference between NumPy and Python list. If you like this particular video, please give a thumbs up and let me in the comment section if you have any query. Thank you.